Hey everyone, Sean here. Everybody's asleep. My brother and his wife are still napping, so I'm gonna go walk and find iced coffee. I know it looked like a toll. Coincidentally, 4 years ago I started making all my videos down here, but I was in Fort Myers, but now I'm in the city next to it, Cape Coral, so. And I was actually walking too, also to the store. I'm lost! No, I'm just kidding. I got my drinks. I don't know. I think Brian will be up in like 6 hours, so from that point on, we'll figure out what we're gonna do today. Love you, Brian. And yeah, other than that, just walking. Really enjoying this walk. Like I said, it is like almost 90 degrees out today, so. I know I keep bragging. I can't help it, but what can you do? Alright, I am at the shell factory. Brother Brian, he's right there. He doesn't want to be on camera. That's a fake kangaroo. This shit with the guy named Velociraptor. Room of death. I know Christmas is over, but they have like an entire section entirely dedicated to Christmas stuff. This is like a fad they were trying to do where you did the tree upside down so you can fit more presents at the bottom, but never took. This looks like a grass tornado. Now we're kind of more in our section, which is the Halloween sheet. Check her out. Just sucks because it's like 1/10 the size of the Christmas section. I'm not gonna act like they have any favorites here, but. We're back outside and we're just exploring more of the grounds. So like, if we just get to the top.